Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video we will be solving one degree 10 equation. So let's get started. We can take x power 8 common from these three terms. We can have x power 4 common from these three terms, and we can take 1 common from these three terms. So we will write x power 8 in bracket x square plus x plus 1. Then we'll take x power 4 common. So in the bracket we'll get x square plus x plus 1. Then we can take 1 common from last three terms and we will get x square plus x plus 1 will be equal to 0. Now we have x square plus x plus 1 overall common. So in other bracket we will write x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we'll be using product zero rule. So either x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 or x power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. So we will solve this quadratic equation first. Here I will be using quadratic formula. If I will compare with ax square plus bx plus c, then we can write a will be 1, b will be 1 and c will be 1. So we will write here formula minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. After plugging all the values of a, b and c, we will get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2, which will be equal to x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 over 2. Now we know that square root of minus 1 is complex number I. So we will get x equal to minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2. So we have first two complex solutions. Now we have to solve degree 8 equation. X power 8 plus x power 4 plus 1 equal to 0. Let's assume x power 4 equal to a. So we can get x power 8 will be equal to a square. So our equation will become quadratic in variable a. A square plus a plus 1 equal to 0. By using quadratic formula, we will get a equal to minus 1 plus minus I square root 3 over 2. Now we will write minus 1 over 2 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. We know that minus 1 over 2 is cos 2 pi over 3 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2 will be sin 2 pi over 3. Cos theta plus minus I sin theta is e raised to the power plus minus I theta, and theta is 2 pi over 3. This is equal to a, and a is equal to x power 4 as per our substitution. Now we can write x power 4 equal to e raised to the power plus minus I times 2 pi over 3. Now we will take square root both sides. So I need to put the square root sign over here, the square root sign over here with plus minus. Now we will cancel square root with power 4 and there will be power 2 left. So we will write x square equal to plus minus e raised to the power plus minus I times 2 pi over 3, and in denominator we will write times 2. Now 2 and 2 will get over from numerator denominator. We will write plus minus e power plus minus I times pi over 3. Now we can write two equations from here. We will write x square equal to plus e power plus minus I times pi over 3, and we can write x square is equal to minus e times plus minus I times pi over 3. Now we will take a square root once again. So I will write here a square root symbol in LHS and RHS. So we have to write here plus minus also. A square root and a square will get over this time. I will write x equal to plus minus e power plus minus I pi over 6. Now we will write x equal to plus minus e raised to the power plus minus I pi over 6 will become cos pi over 6, which is root 3 over 2, plus minus I times sin pi over 6, which is half. So I times 1 over 2. Here we have 4 complex solutions. So in total there would be 2 plus 4, 6 solutions. Now we will find the remaining 4 solutions from this equation. Now I can write x square equal to minus 1 times e raised to the power plus minus I pi over 3. We'll take a square root both sides. So we will put a square root in LHS, the square root in RHS. So we need to put over here plus and minus sign. We will cancel a square root with a square, and we will write equation x equal to plus minus. A square root of minus 1 is complex number I. Plus minus I times e power plus minus I pi over 6, which will be equal to plus minus I in bracket cos pi by 6, which is root 3 over 2, plus minus I times sin pi over 6, which is half. So we have the remaining 4 solutions over here. Overall, we have 2 plus 4 plus 4, 10 solutions, and all 10 solutions are complex valued. So let me write here x1, 2 will be minus 1 plus minus I times square root 3 over 2. Then we have 3, 4, 5, 6 will be equal to plus minus sign in bracket root 3 over 2 plus minus I over 2. Then we'll write 7, 8, 9, 10 will be equal to plus minus. I will write in the bracket I square root 3 over 2 minus plus 1 over 2. So we have 10 complex solutions. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.